Rajendra, you support this teacher who has set this paper with these questions which the BJP says is objectionable?
The teacher, whoever, it is not one teacher, it is a set of teachers. It is done without any malefice. And I will definitely support the teaching fraternity as far as this question is concerned. Because it is done with no intentions. Was it done with intentions was another story. I can tell you it is done without any intentions. And it could be, it is an indicator for what is the ground level in the state.
So there is nothing objectionable in this?
There is nothing objection. I think the BJP party त्यांनी पॉलिटिक्स करपाचे प्रयत्न केलो. ते आम सांगताले आमी जेन्ना SSC एग्जाम आमी हें केलें म्हूण आमी राजकारण करताय SSCचेर. हे राजकारण करपाचें बंदूकच नाय. तांकां लोकां पळोवन गेलो ना. तांकां राजकारण करपाचें सारको तांकां हें जालो आहा. आतां SSC एग्जाम पयलीं जाय न्ही. तुगे इन्क्वायरी जाय न्ही. सगळें जाय न्ही. कितें आहा पळय आहा. Whatever the issue is, it can be settled and sorted out later. No need to create confusions and tensions in the mind of the people. Press conference घेवपा गरज ना BJP. SSC exam वयर एक क्वेश्चन येल म्हूण आनी पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्टीचे उलयल म्हूण क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट जाता जायजा आसता इन द प्रोसेस. आनी एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर चीफ मिनिस्टर आहा. SSC board तांगा मनीस आहा. Controversy create करप is not going to help them in any way. भुरग्यांगे SSC exam जाय न्ही. SSC exam जाली ती तुमी केल्या. You all only have started the exam. You all only said it is safe. And are you trying to say now that there is a controversy in the question paper which is set by an independent body? So मुगे मागणे हा जे टीचरीन कोणे हें केला. They have not done with, I don't see any malefites in what has been done. What has been said is a fact. I can say that I am a nationalist. I am proud of my country, and I have always said that this country has lasted because of good people, not these fellows. And the good people are of the majority community. For those people who want to do politics, I am telling them, don't do politics on these issues. It is the majority community people that are more tolerant आणि बरे लोक आहाय म्हूण आज इंडिया चलता आनी गोंय चलता. सो आमकां प्रिचींग करपाक गरज ना BJPन नॅशनलिस्टाची आनी कित्याची आमकां प्रिचींग करपाक गरज ना. आनी पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्टीचे उलयता आसतना परतून सांगता जे कोण पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट घेवन दिल्याय ते पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट ती दिवपाक जोण एकल्यागे टायम येयलो काय ना कोट्टा दिवपाक हँड ओवर करपाक आपणागे नॅशनलिटी कितू त्रास जाता जेन्ना एकल्याक हें कळ्ळो ना. हें उलयताय तें कळ्ळो ना. तें कितू दूख लागत ती हँड ओवर करपाक नॅशनलिटी. आनी तेंगे फिलींग आनी तेंगे सर्कमस्टन्सीस ते कोताय तेच भायर जाणाय. हें हांव तेंकां आयज सांगून दिता. हे कोण राजकारण करूं सोदताय ते पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्टीचेर बारीक मनशांक हेणा काय. बारीक मनीस जो कोण खरें त्रासां पडला तो जायत मनीस बारीक थिंगोसन आपल्यागे लायफ कोन्न येयले. आपल्यागे भुरग्यां फ्युचर चोयन तेणें केलो आहा. हो स्टेप घेयलो आहा. बट स्टेप मोगान घेयलो ना. जिवा झाडान घेयलो आहा. एनीवे लेट्स क्लोज द पॉलिटिक्स. BJP पार्टीक मुगे मागणें पॉलिटिक्स कोन्ना काय SSC एग्जामाचेर. आनी आमकां बोट दाखयलो तेच भाशेन आमी तुका बोट दाखयनाय. तुमी दाखोवन दिलें की तुमी राजकारण करताय SSC एग्जामीचेर. आनी जेन्ना SSC एग्जामाक भुरग्यांगे चालू आहा and तेंचे स्ट्रेस आहा तेन्नाय तुमी पॉलिटिक्स करताय.
BJP says it's an objectionable question. So what is your say on that?
BJP party says whatever you want. I am telling them at this point of time, don't create confusions in the minds of the people. This is not an issue and a time to make an issue. Whatever you want to do, let the exam finish, and then we will take up the issue. If at all there is an issue.
No, but what is your say about this question? You must have gone through those questions which have been said. It is open in front of the public. तुका कितें दिसता क्वेश्चन कितें आहली पळय ती सारकी हांव कितें आहा
सी ते क्वेश्चनान पयशे नासतना जॉब मेळना म्हणटाय. तें म्हाका सद्दां रुलींग गव्हर्मेंटान सांगूच पडटलें. आमी इतली जॉब दिले आनी आमी इतली जॉबां पयशे घेयले नाय म्हूण तेणें सांगचें पडटलें आनी ते भुरग्यांचें नांव डिस्क्लोज करचें पडटलें मागीर तुमच्या नसन तांकां सेपरेट इंटरव्यू गेले जाता कितें म्हणून बाबा तूं कितें फारीक केल्याय तो कित्याक फट मारता काय म्हणून मागीर तुका आन्सर मेळटलो हांव आनी तेजें कांय उलयना पयशे घेवप ना घेवप हांव तेजें उलयना म्हाका राजकारण करपा नाका जॉबांचेर बट आय ओनली वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दॅट let us create no controversy. SSC papers, whatever has been come, the teachers at least have not done any politics. There is no politics involved. There is nothing involved. Whatever has been done should have been is under the scrutiny of the Goa board. I think Goa board should answer and not these politicians. If at all there is an issue, it has to be an issue with the Goa board. Goa board has not pointed out any discrepancy, whereas these fellows have pointed out. So हें कितें जाणटो मरे थोडे गेल्यार माप पडटा. This is one of the things. हे माप बरो म्हणून दाखयता. These are glaring discrepancies which give the indicators of the government.
So now the party, BJP party has asked for an inquiry on this issue or take action. While in the other way, you support what is done in this as a setup.
I just told you, let the exam finish, we will give our stand. This is not the time for controversy. Whatever they say, we are ready and prepared for them as an opposition party. If nobody is there in the opposition party, I will take on them. Come on.
But these questions are right or wrong? Examine
You are still telling me to make another controversy. Let's wait for the SSC exams to close. Then you come to me. I will tell you what is right and what is wrong.